So that completes our 6 categories in your talent. So makita ninyo, kala ko noon, laro-laro lang. Sabi nila, presentation lang daw. Mukhang hindi na pinaghandaan. Parang hindi na nag-practice. Diba? Kasi talagang perfect ang pagkagawa. Pag nag-practice pa yan, pang binibiging Pilipinas. And that will be a major competition. So let's give a round of applause to our 6 candidates. Ma-inform on them, Miss Sports Fest 22. Candidate number 3, please. Number 4, and number 5, and number 6. Layo. Sige. Next, number, yan. Iwalay. Okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 6 candidates. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, ladies, quarter turn to the right. Face right. Half right. That's it. Quarter turn to your right. Right again. Ayan. Smile. Another right. Quarter turn to the right. Now. And another right. Now. Okay, so once again, the 6 candidates. So ganitong gagawin natin sa question and answer. Bababa kayong 6. 5 lang pala. Maiiwan yung candidate number 1. Yung question, isa lang. So, hindi nyo maririnig ang sagot at number 3. This is Sports Fest 2010, District level. Beauty, 25%. Talent, 30%. Stage presence, 15%. Sports attire, 10%. Question and answer, 20%. For a total of 100%. So once again, I would like to thank our Board of Judges, the Principal of Ilalim Elementary School, Sir Marshall Montera, and our SF Supervisor for Music, Sir Roland Fuanda. Thank you very much for gracing the occasion.